Flash, is it cold, bud? It's cold, isn't it? Sun's shining, but it's still, I think, 26 degrees out here. Not good. But, let's see. Color adjust? Yeah, maybe. 68 Charger RT General Mayhem clone. I did, however, add the stripe. I'm sure, I don't know if you guys have seen that yet in the videos. I don't know. Anyways, getting this moved out. Gonna roll it over with the jack so I can drive it out. I don't have a choke set up on this car yet, so it's a little finicky on the starting department. But I figured I would kind of show you guys, see how well it fires up. Because I don't really know myself. This is a new motor to me. The other one fired up alright, but I never drove in the winter. So, we'll see how it does. Get it moved and take care of it. It is damn cold, but worth it. Not bad. It is a little warmer here in the shop. There she is. How's it look in the shadows? Nah, kind of not very good. But she is cold. You think I need new exhaust tips? Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah. Hopefully the ground is still frozen here. The sun's shining, so it's probably starting to melt. But if it's too muddy, I'm not going to do much here. But I think the ground is still frozen, so this should just be a blast. Let's just go take a look, eh? is just too much fun. Not exactly the fastest in the snow, but plenty of fun. What a good way to break in a new motor. Well, new to me at least. New to the car. So, everything seems to be good. Got the fan on. Radiator's warmed up. And we haven't blown anything yet. We don't appear to be leaking. So far it's a win. Check some fluids. Transmission's warm, gotta check that, see where it's at. And yeah. Let's go see how this thing drives. I need some diesel for the heater in the shop. You think I'd take the truck? No siree. Let's go get some diesel. It is already cold. That wind is chilly. Holy cow. Try to keep it mostly out of the slump. Well, it likes the wet tires. It's warming up a little bit, but not much. I do love this thing. I was sitting here kind of admiring it here. One of the things that I've done to it recently, if you notice, I never did take the original stripe off of the deck lid. Because this thing is a true RT car, I couldn't bring myself to paint over the stripe. So, I have recently added the stripe down the quarter panels. And I like it, but I don't at the same time. I think it's got to grow on me. The stripe really helps hint that it's a true RT car. I suppose at a glance, people probably wouldn't believe this is an RT car. And it kind of helps take it from a pure General Mayhem clone and kind of helps make it my own without really destroying the look. I mean, it's still very clearly a General Mayhem clone, but the stripe sort of helps you think, man, maybe this is something different. And of course, one of my ideas with this, which I don't have now, is glass. I wanted to put a grill on it since I had one, and I had a very good condition grill. Put that in. Of course, with the RT badge. I've already painted the engine bay blue because I do eventually want to completely restore this car. That is probably a long ways off, but this car does deserve to be restored someday. But of course, naturally, in the meantime, I'm going to have some fun with it. So, but instead of living up to true roadkill fashion, because, as you can tell, it's warmed up a bit. I think it's a whopping 34 degrees now, with a slight breeze, so it still feels cold. As so I did want to add the glass to it, and I want to put a heater, and I had a heater core in it. It started leaking. I got to fix that still, but I want to put some sort of interior in it. I've got a bunch of old white interior from my Daytona. I think it's going to end up making it in here, and I do want to get it to a little bit less ratty. You know, Roadkill's car was super ratty, and I want this one to be a little bit nicer version of it, basically. So, and that brings itself back around to the stripe. That's kind of part of me making my own version of their car. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Sounds good, runs good. Don't seem to have any leaks. Haven't had anything catastrophic yet happen. So I think I found myself a good motor. So we're definitely gonna have some more fun with this car. It was kind of a shame that I didn't have it for very long before that rod and that motor started knocking. So now we can really start making some fun videos with this thing.